Hey guys, welcome back to the channel with a new video of online transcriptioning jobs. This video is for those people who are tired of applying on Go Transcript on daily basis but they are not getting accepted at all. If you are one of them, you need to watch this video till end. Before starting the video, please subscribe to the channel, press the bell icon for latest updates and give the video a thumbs up if you like it. So without wasting the time, let's go to the browser and search for a website FF Transcription. There will be a couple of options, so you need to go to this option, become a transcriber on FF Transcription. After clicking this, you will see the page, and then we need to click on the start the process option, and here it will show some of the information, but you don't need to read it. Just click on the next, and here is the main part. You need to fill this option with your first name, last name, email address, and then the country where you are living right now. I'm in Pakistan, so I'm gonna select this option, Pakistan. Once you are done with this part, click on the next option. Check all these three boxes to agree with their terms and conditions. Click on the next. Then you will have a test over here. I'm gonna fill this quickly. This is just for the video purposes, so don't mind if I'm selecting the wrong option here. Okay, so the first says I like to dance, I like to dance, I like to dance. All of them are like I like to dance. However, I don't like to dance at all. So I think the C option is right here. Next one is which sentence is correct? We are going to Italy in a few days. We are going to Italy in a few days. Third is Paula dash a cold last week and she missed school. Had a cold last week would be the right option, I guess so. Next is if we had brought our umbrellas, we wouldn't have gotten wet. Next is this huge tree grew from a little seed. The fisherman caught a huge fish. For all intents and purposes, this test is over. She assured me the house would not flood. I would like to advance further in my career. Alex ran up the hill to get the ball. Choose a sentence that is correctly punctuated and capitalized. Tom, Anna, Richard, and Jim went to the meeting. I guess the option B is right, but the C, I'm sorry, the D is also looking good. But I'm gonna go with option B since this is just for the video purposes. Choose a sentence that is correctly punctuated and capitalized. I couldn't make it to lunch. I could leave it. I couldn't make it to lunch. I could, however, join you next week. This option is looking good. Option D. Option B is right here. Their boat slipped closer to the Mariana than ours. Right. He was taller than me. The dogs are playing in the backyard. Which of the following is not a complete sentence? Piled on the table, I think, is not a complete sentence. Or maybe I walked to the store. Whatever, you guys can figure it out by your own selves. So once you're done with all these 16 options, click on the next option. And here it's gonna take you to the very important part, which is to transcribe their audio, right? The first option is download the style guide. I'm gonna download the style guide here. Okay, I have the style guide, and then I'm gonna download the audio as well. Okay, bookmark this page. Alright, I'm gonna bookmark this page as favorite. I don't know how to do it. I'm not tech savvy guy, but still, okay, that's fine. Okay, I'm done bookmarking this page. Return within 24 hours to upload your completed transcript below. Alright, once you have downloaded the style guide, once you have downloaded the audio file for transcription, you need to go through the style guide and then transcribe the audio file. Please do not skip this part, style guide. This is very important. You need to go through their rules and regulations, and then you need to transcribe their file as per their style guide. I would suggest you here to use a software. You can use Otter AI, or maybe you can use Descript to transcribe the audio, but within their style guide limits and rules. Okay, this is very important. Please, guys, pay attention and focus on their style guide. It will take hardly like 4 to 5 hours to go through their style guide. It's very similar to the Go transcript. Since I don't want this video to be longer, so I will stay to this part right now. Okay, rest. Why I'm saying that you guys can use the Otter, because I think this is a new website. This is a legit website. So for now, you can use the Otter and Descript to transcribe the audio, and later on try to transcribe their files. Once you are accepted, try to transcribe their files with your own understanding and listening powers, because they are giving a margin of 3.3 rating, which is very good than the Go transcript. I won't suggest you to apply on Go transcript anymore, because Go transcript don't have enough jobs. Like, there are thousands of people applying on the Go transcript on daily basis. Since they don't have enough work, so they are not accepting anyone's application. Luckily, if one or two, maybe 10 transcribers breach their terms and conditions, they're gonna ban their account, or then they will accept the application. And I don't know who would be the 10 lucky people which gonna accept it on Go transcript. But this website is hiring right now. This is confirmed. This is authentic news. Hurry up, guys. You need to go through their style guide, and then you need to transcribe their audio file and submit over here. After you are done with transcription, like transcription of their audio file, upload the file over here by clicking this option. Okay, and then you can submit it, like by pressing this button. So this is the video. This is all about the video, and I hope you guys gonna like this video. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up, and do leave your suggestion in the comment box.
The thing I
Thank you so
love
much.
about surfing is it never stops challenging you.